This 2026 Forest River Aurora 27 DBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bowling Green, Kentucky, 42101 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Bowling Green. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.